But I get up in the morning and I'll go down, I'll look around, and I get a lot of peace. I feel a very sense of comfort by it. When I'm walking with my granddaughter, I feel joy because we have a family associated with the river. I'm Bill Brandau, and I live on the Gila River. The Gila River is the lifeblood of our community. Without the river, we wouldn't have water, we wouldn't have the crops, we wouldn't be able to grow the food. It really doesn't matter where you're at in your station in life. This river affects everybody. I would love to look out my window and not see salt cedar. Two things that a river has to do is convey water and convey sediment, and salt cedar prevents both of those. People need to understand the importance of the river. To be able to live here and to function and to make a living, we're dependent upon a healthy river to do that. Most kids today don't have a clue where their water comes from. My granddaughter comes down here and she plays with the cows. She sees me, she says, "Grandpa, what are you doing?" "I'm irrigating." "Why you do that?" "I'm growing grass so I can feed the cows." To be sustainable, the Gila River has to become part of the fabric of our community. Over my life and my career, but the thing that I found that is most effective is allowing the system to function. These riparian systems, if given half a chance, will do amazing things.